Welcome to the video class of this chapter trigonometric equation. Before that, you should do Brahmanad. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the general solution of the some trigonometric functions, standard form solution of standard trigonometric equations. Today we are going to discuss some special type of trigonometric function, solution of some special type of trigonometric functions. Let's do, that is solution of a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c. Okay, so let a is equal to r cos alpha and b is equal to r sin alpha. Here a square plus b square is equal to what? Here a square plus b square is equal to r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha. So a square plus b square is equal to r square into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. That is implies a square plus b square is equal to r square. That implies r is equal to root over a square plus b square. So put now a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c becomes that sin x into r cos alpha plus cos x into r sin alpha is equal to c. Now taking r common, that is what? Sin x into cos alpha plus cos x into sin alpha is equal to c. So that is what? R of sin x plus alpha, r of sin x plus alpha is equal to c, So that is sin of x plus alpha is equal to what? C by r. That implies sin of x plus alpha is equal to c by root over a square plus b square. But we know sin x lies between sin x plus alpha lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So that implies c by root over a square plus b square lies between minus 1 to plus 1. That implies minus root over a square plus b square less than equal to c less than equal to root over a square plus b square. That implies mod c less than equal to root over what? Root over a square plus b square. If then solution exists. If mod c less than equal to root over a square plus b square, then solution of this equation, of this trigonometric equation exists. And suppose c by root over a square plus b square is equal to, suppose, sin of what? Sin of, suppose, beta. That implies, suppose this is equation 1. So dear conditions, the condition is like this condition. So sin of x plus alpha is equal to sin beta. That implies x plus alpha is equal to what? N pi plus minus 1 to the power n into beta, and alpha x is equal to n pi minus 1 to the power n into beta minus alpha. This is the procedure to solve the system of equation like this: a sin x plus b cos x equal to c. That is step to solve the the trigonometric equation of type a sin x plus b. Procedure to solve procedure to solve procedure to solve procedure to solve a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c. First check step 1 check mod c less than equal to a square plus b square. If it satisfies then solution exists, otherwise solution does not exist. Step 2 divide both sides by root over a square plus b square. That is what? A by root over a square plus b square into sin x plus b by root over a square plus b square into cos x is equal to what? C by root over a square plus b square. This is some cos alpha, or that is sin x into what? Cos alpha, and this is cos x into sin alpha is equal to c by root over a square plus b square. So this is what? Sin of x plus alpha is equal to here, that is suppose c by root over a square plus b square is equal to suppose sin beta. So this is what? Sin beta. So that implies x plus alpha is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the n into beta, and x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the n beta minus alpha. This n belongs to z. This is the procedure how to solve the equation of like this, trigonometric equation of like this. Now one question. Now solve. This is here, answer is sin x plus root 3 cos x is equal to root 2. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to root 3, c is equal to root 2. So square root of a square plus b square, 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2. Okay, so mod c less than root over a square plus b square. So solution exists. Now divide both sides by 2. Root over a square plus b square means 2. So 1 by 2 into sin x plus root 3 by 2 into cos x is equal to root 2 by 2, that is 1 by root 2. ए स्टेप पर तमें sin of a plus b फॉर्मूला आनले हबो, नहले cos of a minus b फॉर्मूला आसले हबो. दुईटा बेर हे परिबो. This is suppose sin x into what? Half means what? Cos sin or cos what? 60 pi by 3 plus this is cos x into, and this is what? Sin pi by 3 is equal to 1 by root 2. That implies this is sin a cos b cos a sin b. This is sin of a plus b. X plus pi by 3 is equal to 1 by root 2 means what? Sin pi by 4. That implies what? Sin x plus pi by 3 is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the n into alpha means what? Pi by 4. This is pi by 4. Now x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the n into pi by 4 minus what? Pi by 3. This where n belongs to z is the solution. Okay. Now another question. Procedure to find principal solution. Procedure to find the principal solution. Principal solution of trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation. Step 1. Find the general solution. General solution. Step 2. Put the value of n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, and restricted the solution in the interval 0 to 2 pi, which are the principal solution. The principal solution. Which are the principal solution? Now example. Find the principal solution. Find the principal solution. Find the principal solution of, that is, root 3 sin x plus cos x is equal to 1. Find the principal solution of root 3 sin x plus cos x is 1. Okay. So this is suppose not 1, this is 2. Find the principal solution of root 3 sin x plus cos x equal to 2. So here answer, root 3 sin x plus cos x is equal to 2, a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2. So root over a square plus b square means what? Root over 3 square, 3 root plus 1, that is 2. Here mod c is equal to root over a square plus b square. So solution exists. Now divide both sides by root over a square plus both sides. Divide both sides by, that is root over a square plus b square means what? 2. So this is root 3 by what? Root 3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by what? 2 cos x is equal to 2 by 2. So 1. एक स्टेप पर तुम साइन आनी पारिबो, साइन फॉर्म रे नहले कॉस फॉर्म रे आनी हबो. जदि कॉस फॉर्म रे आनिबा साइन रहबो, कॉस रहबो. सपोज मु कॉस फॉर्म रे आनिबी तो ये साइन केते लिखि परबी ना उल्टे लिखि दी 1 by 2 cos x root 3 by 2 sin x is equal to 1. कॉस फॉर्म को सपोज आनिबी, ये साइन फॉर्म आनला हबो, कॉस फॉर्म आनला हबो. सपोज मु कॉस फॉर्म आनिबी तो कॉस टा उल्टे लिखि देली. कॉस कोठे हाफ होछ, दैट इज cos x cos pi by 3 माने 60 रे हाफ होछ प्लस केते cos कोठे हाफ होछ, sin कोठे होछ sin x and sin को एंगल रे root 3 by 2 होछ, that is 60 रे. So sin pi by 3 is equal to केते 1. तो cos a cos b minus plus sin a sin b, cos of a minus b, so cos of x minus pi by 3 is equal to 1. Now this is cos the value कोटी 1 होची, केते एंगल पे 1 होची, that implies 0 पे cos x minus pi by 3 is equal to cos 0. Now this is cos formula is what? Cos x is equal to cos alpha. So x is equal to what? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, so x means what? Here x minus pi by 3 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0. So that implies x minus pi by 3 is equal to 2n pi and x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 3 and belongs to z. This is principal general solution. This is general solution. Now for principal solution, put n is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? X is equal to pi by 3. Put n is equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. That is what? Put n equal to 1. That is 2 pi plus pi by 3 not belongs to 0 to 2 pi. So only x is equal to pi by 3 is the principal solution. Is the principal solution. कौन पाई ना 2 pi by 2 pi plus pi by 3 टा 0 to 2 pi भितर रहुनी एक्जिस्ट होनी तो सी प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन जीवनी ओनली x is equal to pi by 3 जीवो प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन रे. ओके, find the principal solution of the equation cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. So answer is cos 4x plus cos 2x is equal to cos 2x. Now take this left side. So cos 4x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Apply cos c minus cos d formula. So this is 2 what? 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 minus of. Okay, then sin 4x minus 2x by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is equal to what? Sin 3x and this is what? Minus 2 sin 3x and this is 2x by 2, that is sin x is equal to 0. So minus 2 divided here, that is sin 3x is equal to 0, sin x is equal to 0. Now the general solution is what? 3x is equal to n pi, that implies x is equal to n pi by 3, n belongs to z and here x is equal to n pi. Here x is equal to what? X is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Now put n is equal to 0. So x is equal to here 0, here also 0. N is equal to 1, x equal to what? Pi by 3, pi by 3 and x is equal to here pi. N equal to 2, so x is equal to what? 2 pi by 3 and this is 2 pi, not here, this is 2 pi. 2 pi is not included. So n is equal to suppose 3, x is equal to pi exist here. N equal to suppose 4, n equal to suppose 4, so x is equal to what? 4 pi by 3 less than 2 pi. N equal to 5, x is equal to what? N equal to suppose 5. Suppose n equal to 5, then x is equal to what? N equal to suppose n equal to 5. N equal to 5, suppose that is x is equal to 5 pi by 3, also less than 2 pi. If n is equal to 6, then it is 2 pi. So it is 2 pi is not included in principal solution. Therefore, the principal solutions are what? 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, and this is what? 5 pi by 3. These are the principal solutions which are restricted in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Now another question. Find the principal solution of sin theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So answer is sin theta is equal to sin 2 theta, or that is we can write sin theta minus sin 2 theta is equal to 0. এটা ফ্যাক্টরাইজ করি হব sin theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 0. So sin theta common, 1 minus 2 cos theta is equal to 0. So that is what? Sin theta is equal to here, sin theta is equal to sin theta is equal to here sin theta is equal to 0, sin theta is equal to 0, or 1 minus 2 cos theta is equal to 0. Okay. And this is 2 cos theta is equal to what? 1 cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, and theta is equal to here n pi, n belongs to z. Here that is what? That implies cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to cos pi by 3. What is formula here? Cos theta equal to cos alpha, that is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, n belongs to z. This is what? General solution. Now for principal solution, put n is equal to 0, put n is equal to 0 here, put n is equal to 0, so theta is equal to 0, n equal to 1, theta is equal to pi, and n is equal to 2, then theta is equal to 2 pi, which is not belongs to the principal solution. For this also here, that is theta is equal to here what? 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. If n is equal to 0, theta is equal to here plus or minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3 not belong to the principal solution. So theta is equal only pi by 3. It plus or minus pi by 3 होची principal solution माने condition होची 0 to 2 pi भीतर रहबा दरकार. तो minus pi by 3 टा रहुनी. तो नेबानी theta is n equal to suppose 1, then theta is equal to 2 pi plus pi by 3 नेले हबनी. 2 pi अधिक होची minus pi by 3. So theta is, that implies theta is equal to 5 pi by 3. And if theta is equal to what? If n is equal to suppose 3, 6 pi minus pi by 3, that is what? Greater than 6 pi minus pi by 3 is 6 pi plus pi by 3 is obviously greater than 2 pi, and also 6 pi minus pi by 3, that is 8 pi by 3 is also greater than 2 pi. So the principal solution are, therefore principal solutions are what? 0, pi by 3, pi, 0, pi by 3, and pi, then what? 5 pi and 5 pi by 3. These are the principal solutions. Okay. Find the principal solution of cos square theta plus sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So answer is cos square theta plus sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Here sin form, here cos square form. So cos square convert in terms sin, that is what? 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies minus sin square theta plus sin theta plus 2 is equal to 0. So multiply both sides by -1. So sin square theta minus sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Now factorize this. That is minus sin theta and multiply kale minus 2 sin square theta haba darkar. So sin square theta minus 2 sin theta plus sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is, take common sin theta here, sin theta minus 2, sin theta minus 2, here 1, sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to what? Sin theta plus 1 into sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So that is what? That implies sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0, sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies what? Sin theta is equal to 2, which is impossible. Because maximum value of sin theta is 1, but here 2. So sin theta is equal to what here? Sin theta is equal to minus 1. That implies sin theta is equal to sin minus pi by 2. And theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into minus pi by 2. If n is equal to 0, theta is equal to what? 0 and this is what? Pi by 2. This is 0 and minus 1 to the 0 means 1, and this is what? Minus pi by 2. This is minus pi by 2. So this doesn't exist, rejected, because not belongs to 0 to pi. If n is equal to 1, theta is equal to what? Pi minus minus 1 to the power minus 1 to the 1 minus 1. This is my pi plus pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2. Yes, belongs to that principal restricted the interval, that is 0 to 2 pi. If n is equal to 2, theta is equal to 2 pi, this plus and minus pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2. Repeat again. So n equal to 3, this is 3 pi and plus not. So the principal solution is, for n equal to 3, this is 3 pi plus what? Pi by 2, greater than 2 pi. So no need to write this. So principal solution is what? Theta is equal to 3 pi by 2 is only one answer. Solve. Cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 4 cot 2 theta. Now convert this in terms of tan theta only. So solution, this is, that is answer is cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cot 2 theta. So this is what? This is implies 1 minus 1 by tan square theta minus tan square theta is equal to what is cot 2 theta? That is 1 by tan 2 theta. 1 by tan 2 theta. So this is equal to 1 minus tan 4 theta divided by tan square theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So that implies 1 minus tan 4 theta divided by tan square theta 1 minus tan square theta divided by 2 tan theta. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 2 tan theta. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to implies 2 tan theta into 1 minus tan 4 theta is equal to tan square theta into 1 minus tan square theta. So this is what? This is equal to 2 tan theta into 2 tan theta into 2 tan theta into 1 minus here 1 minus tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta into 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 0. So take common here, that is what? Tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta. So remain here, that is 2 tan theta into 1 plus tan square theta minus tan theta. Minus here tan theta common, 1 minus tan theta common, so minus tan theta. Minus tan theta is equal to 0. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 tan theta, that is tan theta, that implies tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta into what? 2 tan theta plus here tan theta common, here also tan theta common, here also tan theta common. Okay, tan theta common here, that is not here 2, that is 2 tan theta common, this is only 2, this is only 2. So this is what? Tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta, this is equal to what? 2 plus 2 tan square theta minus tan theta is equal to 0. Okay, so this implies tan theta 1 minus tan square theta, and this is 2 tan square theta minus tan theta plus 2 is equal to 0. So tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta into 1 minus tan square theta, and this is 4 tan square theta, and so this is what? 4 tan square theta, that is this is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to 0, 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 0, and 2 tan square theta minus tan theta plus 2 is equal to 0. So tan theta equal to 0 means what? Theta is equal to n pi, tan square theta is equal to 1. We can write here tan square theta is equal to tan square pi by 4, tan pi by 4 1, so 1 square equal to 1, theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4, and this is tan theta is equal to minus 1 plus or minus b square means what? 1 minus 4, impossible, that is impossible, minus 4 into 2 into 2, that is by 4. So this is impossible, imaginary. Tan theta is equal to minus 1 plus or minus what? 1 minus 16, that is minus 15 by not real. So these are the solutions. Solutions are n pi and n pi plus or minus pi by 4, this where n belongs to z. This is the solution. Okay, now this is the solution. This is the solution. So what is here? That is tan theta equal to 0, 1 minus tan square theta equal to 0, and this is equal to 0. Tan theta equal to 0, theta equal to n pi, tan square theta equal to 1 means what? 1 square we can write. So this is tan square theta equal to tan square alpha formula, n pi plus or minus alpha, alpha means what? Pi by 4. Okay, now another question. Solve sec theta plus tan theta equal to root 3. So answer is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to root 3. So 1 by what? 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to root 3. That implies 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to what? Root 3. So this is equal to what? 1 plus sin theta is equal to root 3 cos theta. So we can write here root 3 cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1, and here a is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus 1, root over a square plus b square is equal to what? 3 plus 1, that is 2. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 cos theta and minus 1 by 2 sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Convert this cos form. So cos, that is cos 30. Cos 30 means what? Cos pi by cos theta into cos, here root 3 by 2 means what? Cos pi by 6. Half means sin pi by 6. Half means what? Sin pi by 6. So sin theta and half means what? Sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. This implies cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos A plus B, theta plus pi by 6 is equal to cos of what? Cos pi by 3. So the formula is cos x is equal to cos alpha. So alpha x is equal to x means what? Theta is equal, theta means theta plus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, and theta is equal to what? 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 minus pi by 6. N belongs to Z. This is the solution. Okay, now another question. Solve this. Answer is what? Solve this. Sec theta minus 1 is equal to root 2 minus 1 into tan theta, squaring both sides. So sec theta is equal to what? Root 2 minus 1 into tan theta plus 1. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. That is what? Sec square theta is equal to what? This is root 2 minus 1 whole square into tan square theta plus 1 plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 into tan theta. Now sec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to root 2 minus 1 whole square, tan square theta plus 1 plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 into tan theta. So 1 cancel here. So that is what? Tan square theta root 2 minus 1 the whole square, tan square theta minus tan square theta plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 into tan theta. So this is what? This is common here. That is what? Tan theta common, or we can write root 2 minus 1 whole square minus 1 into tan square theta plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 into tan theta, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. That is what? That is 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 into tan square theta plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 into tan theta is equal to 0. So this is 3 minus 1 2. 2 minus 2 root 2 into tan square theta plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 into tan theta is equal to 0. So take 2 common. Take 2 common here. That is what? Take 2 common. 2 common. This is 2. 2 common. 1 minus root 2 tan square theta. Tan square theta plus 2 into root 2 minus 1 into tan theta is equal to 0. So that is, you can write here 2 into root 2 minus 1 tan theta, and this is 1 minus root 2. So root 2 minus 1 heଲେ minus हो 2 into root 2 minus 1 into tan square theta is equal to 0. तो कॉमन बाहर 2 into root 2 minus 1 कॉमन into tan theta भी कॉमन रहिला 1 माइनस केते 1 माइनस tan square theta is equal to केते 0. So tan theta is equal to 0 हबो आउट 1 माइनस tan square theta is equal to 0 हबो. तो tan theta is equal to 0 हले theta is equal to केते n pi. एडी tan square theta is equal to 1 हला तो मु लिखि परिबी tan square theta is equal to 1 स्क्वायर लिखि चलिबो. तो tan square theta is equal to tan square pi by 4 और theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to here, theta is equal to n, tan square theta is equal to 1, tan square theta equal to 1 square, tan square theta is equal to tan square pi by 4. Theta is equal to what? N pi plus or minus pi by 4. N belongs to Z. This is the solution of this question. Now another question.